Coinbase versus MoonPay. Choosing the right crypto platform can completely change how you buy and manage digital assets without unnecessary fees or delays. Both offer unique features for buying crypto, but their approaches differ significantly. Coinbase and MoonPay are popular platforms for purchasing cryptocurrencies, but they serve different purposes. Coinbase is a full-featured exchange with wallet and trading services, while MoonPay focuses on fast, simple crypto purchases via payment gateways. The core difference lies in scope and user control. Coinbase is a comprehensive cryptocurrency exchange and wallet service designed for both beginners and experienced users. It allows you to buy, sell, store, and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies securely. The platform works by connecting your bank account or card to facilitate crypto purchases and trading on its order book. Coinbase's strengths include a user-friendly interface, strong security protocols, and extensive educational resources. It also supports advanced trading features and staking options for certain assets. However, Coinbase's fees can be higher compared to some competitors, and its verification process may take longer. The platform is ideal for users who want an all-in-one solution for managing crypto investments, from simple buys to active trading and portfolio management. Its robust ecosystem makes it suitable for those planning to hold and interact with various cryptocurrencies over time. For anyone seeking a trusted and regulated platform with broad functionality, Coinbase is a solid choice. MoonPay is a payment infrastructure designed to simplify the process of buying cryptocurrencies using traditional payment methods like credit cards, debit cards, and Apple Pay. Unlike full exchanges, MoonPay acts as a gateway, enabling users to quickly purchase crypto without creating a trading account. It works by partnering with exchanges and wallets to provide instant crypto purchases with minimal steps. MoonPay's strengths lie in its speed, ease of use, and broad availability across many countries. It supports multiple fiat currencies and offers a smooth onboarding experience with minimal verification for smaller purchases. However, MoonPay charges higher fees due to its convenience and does not offer trading, wallet storage, or portfolio management services. It is ideal for users who want to make quick crypto purchases without the complexities of an exchange. If you prioritize speed and simplicity over advanced features, MoonPay provides a straightforward solution to enter the crypto market. Comparing Coinbase and MoonPay highlights important trade-offs. Coinbase offers a full ecosystem with wallet, trading, and educational tools, making it suitable for users looking to actively manage and grow their crypto portfolios. Its fees are higher, but you gain control and security. In contrast, MoonPay excels at fast, simple crypto purchases with fewer steps, perfect for beginners or those making occasional buys. The trade-off is limited functionality and higher fees per transaction. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin quickly with a credit card and send it to your own wallet, MoonPay is ideal. But if you want to trade multiple coins, stake assets, or use advanced features, Coinbase is the better choice. Your decision depends on whether you value convenience or a comprehensive crypto experience. Choose Coinbase if you want a secure all-in-one platform for buying, trading, and managing cryptocurrencies with advanced tools and long-term support. MoonPay is best for quick, hassle-free crypto purchases using familiar payment methods, especially for newcomers or casual buyers. Ultimately, selecting the right platform depends on your crypto goals, whether you need simplicity or a full-featured exchange experience.